Good evening, everyone. My name is Regina Arditi, and I am the judge for the 448th District Court. I'm asking for your support in my re-election campaign. First of all, I want to explain to you a little bit about the 448th District Court. It is a civil district court. It involves very complex cases. It involves complex cases with medical malpractice, death cases, people's homes being removed, discrimination, wrongful termination. It involves people's lives. To me, that is extremely important, and I'm extremely conscientious when anyone comes into my court. People don't realize how important a jury trial is, and this type of a court is a court where you have that opportunity to present your case and have your day in court. Number one, when you have your day in court, that is a constitutional right that many of us do not realize how important it is. It is a right that only free people enjoy. Let me tell you, I am not a stranger to adversity. And I am not afraid of making difficult decisions. And I am not afraid of public opinion. I believe in the Constitution, and as a judge, you have to support the Constitution. I took an oath to support the Constitution. I took an oath to support the laws of the state of Texas, and I have not violated that oath. I am committed. I'm committed to you, I'm committed to the community, and I am committed to my duties as your judge of the 448th, and I'm asking for your support again. Thank you very much.